Station, White Bluff, and surrounding areas. West of today, mostly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. North winds around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Cold with lows around 20. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming west 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 30. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. In Nashville at 11 a.m. Cloudy. The temperature was 34 degrees, dew point was 30, and the relative humidity was 85%. Winds were northwest at 9 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 47. The pressure was 30.25 inches and rising. Around Middle Tennessee. Clarksville, Hayes, 32. Crossville. This is a test of the new weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. In the event of emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. Operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.45 megahertz with transmitting facilities in Ventura County. This broadcast originates from the Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Repeating, this has been a test of the new weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Charlesdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the new weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. In Nashville at 11 a.m.